Hi there, welcome to the MusicWriter app for iPad. Let's start a new song, and when we're ready, press the red record button to start recording. As you play your song on the on-screen keyboard, the notes are automatically added to the music sheet. The red dot cursor shows you where you are on the music sheet at all times. Press the stop button when you want to stop recording. Next, we'll go into edit mode, where we can edit our music until it sounds the way we want. Use the green play button to play back your song and hear what it sounds like. You can move the cursor to any point on the music sheet by simply tapping the music sheet at the required location. This note doesn't sound right, so let's delete it and add the correct note. I think we need to adjust the spacing of the notes a bit more. And change this note duration from a quarter note to a half note. Now the song still sounds a little slow, so we'll adjust the playback speed. Once we're happy with the tune, we can change the song title and composer. On this screen you can also change the time signature or the music key if required. Remember to save your song regularly to avoid losing your work. Now let's add some lyrics. Using the test mode, you can see how well you can recognize the notes on the music sheet. Play the note that you think the cursor is flashing over. If you play the wrong note, the correct note is played at the same time, which sounds wrong and lets you know that you've made a mistake. At the end of the test, your percentage of correct notes is shown, to let you know how you did. When you have finished your song, You can print it out to a compatible AirPrint printer, or send it to a friend via email as an attached PDF document. In quick chord mode, you can select different chords, which shows you which notes you need to play on the piano to make the chord. Hear what it sounds like, and add the chord to the music sheet at the current cursor location. Half notes can be written as either sharp or flat by selecting the required accidental button. Rests can also be added by selecting the rest button. Rests are then added to the music sheet according to which note duration is selected and which note is played on the keyboard. You can also write songs directly from your MIDI keyboard, if you have one, connected to your iPad using an Apple camera connection kit. When recording using MIDI, the upper LED will flash as you play notes on your MIDI keyboard, if your keyboard is connected correctly. The lower LED will flash as the notes you play are added to the music sheet. When you are not recording and the MIDI edit button selected, notes played on the MIDI keyboard will be added to the music sheet at the location of the cursor. If you decide you want to delete one of your saved songs, select it in the composition list, swipe it to the left, then click the delete button. MusicWriter, the easiest way to learn music and write songs.